I grew up on a farm. So my vehicles do see a bit of off-road, you know, every now and then, especially this time of the year whenever there's snow and ice on the ground. You need something that's going to get you wherever you want to go, whether it's on the road or off the road. That truck right there is an absolute beast. I had it off the road in the snow for the first time I've owned it. Yesterday, actually, I was driving around the farm. We're remodeling a cabin of ours, so I was going around just kind of doing my rounds, checking on a bunch of stuff there, and never once slipped, got stuck, anything like that. It was awesome. You know, it makes me feel nice to use a truck for what a truck's actually supposed to be used for, go off-road or haul something or something like that. And that 3-liter Duramax alone in it, just with my time working here and my experience of owning one, it is by far the best class fuel economy I've gotten. My favorite feature, that's a great question because there's a lot of them to choose from. Favorite feature on the inside has to be, it's not the biggest feature, but I'm a sucker for the ventilated seats. In the summertime, I got leather seats in it. The main thing a leather seated vehicle does in the summertime, it gets hot, right? It gets really hot. Whenever I'll go to remote start it, it'll automatically be like, hey, it's hot outside. Let me go ahead and turn on the AC. Let me turn on the cooled seats for you. I hop in there and, you know, everything's all nice and cool for me, especially the seats. Like my back don't sweat or anything like that. That is probably my favorite one by far. An adult female African elephant. An elephant is known to weigh about 7,700 pounds. Think about how big an elephant is, right? Okay, think about how heavy they are. There's not an animal on the planet that's as built like a tank like an elephant is. 7,700 pounds. Even my ZR2, which across the line technically tows the least amount of the lineup in the 1,500 Silverados, will tow an African elephant. You know what I'm saying? So what are you towing through everyday use that's going to weigh as much as an elephant? So that just kind of puts into picture a little bit like, hey, that's a hard weight to reach. It really, really is. An average boat, you know, like if I want to take a bass tracker or something like that out, you know, we're talking about maybe a fraction of that at the absolute most. So these trucks definitely have the powerhouses to be able to do that and to be able to handle it all across the line. I think either motor that you choose to pick in it.